What exactly are AI trading bots? An AI trading bot is just a computer program. It looks at the data like prices, news, and trends and makes trading decisions automatically. How it works step by step. The bot collects market data, it compares patterns from the past, it predicts what might happen next, and then it makes a trade in milliseconds. Humans take seconds or minutes. AI does it almost instantly. Let's say Bitcoin drops suddenly. A human might panic or wait, but the AI bot, it already knows. Last time this happened, price went up after. So it buys immediately without emotions. People use AI bots because they don't get tired, don't panic, can watch the market all day, and they can react faster than any human. But here's the truth. AI bots are not magic money machines. They can lose money too, especially in unpredictable markets. Smart people always manage risk. So AI training bots are fast, smart tools, but they still need a human brain behind them. If you understand them, they can help. If you don't, they can hurt. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.